Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am doing now 7th class maths data handling. In this I have done exercise 1, first, second, third problems. Now I am doing fourth problem. The fourth problem is the number of passengers. The number of passengers, it goes on like this. Let me read the problem. The number of passengers who traveled in RTC bus from Adilabad to Nirmal in 4 trips in a day are 39, 30, 45 and 54. What is the occupancy ratio? Means in the bracket they have given average number of passengers traveling per trip. In one trip, how many are traveling on the average? You have to find out that. So, first let us take the number of passengers traveling. The question is passengers who traveled. So, number of passengers traveled in number of passengers traveled in first trip. How many traveled in first trip? 39. In second trip, 30. And in third trip, 45. And in fourth trip, they are 54. So you need to find out average. What is the meaning of average, children? What did I say? Average means sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Sum of the numbers 39 plus 30 plus 45 plus 54 divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we calculate this, 39, 30, 45, 54. So when you are 9, 18, 9, 1, 10, 16. 168. So 168 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are. So this is 42. That means what is that they are asking? Occupancy ratio. Therefore, occupancy ratio is equal to 42. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, we will see the fifth problem. The following table, there is a table given to you. So let me write the table. Name of the student, unit test 1, unit test 2, unit test 3 and unit test 4. Okay. So first, Anju. Anju was absent for the first test. And second, 19, 23, 21. And Nilesh, 0, 20, 22, 24. And then Lekhya, 20, 24, 24, 24. So these are the marks they have got. So the question is, the following table shows the marks scored by Anju, Leelish, Lekia in 4 tests of English. So a test in English is taken. So the marks are there on the uh, board. You can see these are the marks. Anju was absent for unit test 1, unit test 2 90, test 3 23, test 4 21. And Neelesh 0 in the first test, second test 20, third test 22, fourth test 24. Lekhya, she got first test 20, remaining all 24, 24, 24. Now the questions here is, find the average marks obtained by Lekhya. One by one we will be doing. So first one, average marks of Lekhya. Average marks of Lekhya. First we have to add up 20 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 whole divided by how many tests? 4. So how much you are getting? 4, 4, 8, 8, 4, 12, 3, 5, 7, 9 by 4. Okay, 92 by 4. So when you are dividing, how much you are getting? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 23 marks she has got. This is average mark. 23 marks are obtained by Alekhya. This is the answer for the first bit. And second bit. What is the second bit? Find the average marks secured by Anju. Will you divide total marks by 3 or 4? Why? Now let us see Anju. This is Anju. Anju was absent for one test. Since Anju was absent for one test, only 3 tests Anju has attempted. So average is obtained by dividing by only 3 but not 4, because Anju has written, Anju wrote only, Anju appeared for 3 tests. Therefore, what is the question? Total marks, will you divide total marks by 3 or 4? Total marks should be divided by 3. Okay. So, what is the average? You need to find out average. Average is equal to Anju marks 19 plus 23 plus 21 by 3. So 9 1 10, 13, 3 4 5 6, 63 by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are 21 marks. This is the answer for second bit. Please copy. I will be writing the other 2 bits afterwards. Let me take those marks here because I need those marks for verification. Anju 23 and uh, Alekhya 23. Alekhya 23. Anju got 21 marks. So this I may need for the other bit answers. So please copy second and third bit. Fourth and fifth I'll be doing now. That's first and second if you copy, third and fourth I'll be doing. Now let us see the third bit. Third bit here, Neelesh has given all 4 tests. Find the average marks secured by him. Will you divide the total by 3 or 4? Why? So the question is again here. So children, remember one thing. Even though Neelesh has got 0 in one test, you cannot divide it by 3 because he has appeared for 4 tests. He got 0. That is another issue. But so we have to divide. Total should be divided. Total marks should be divided by 4 as Neelesh appeared for tests. As Neelesh has appeared for 4 tests. So, what is average? Average is equal to 0 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24 by 4. 4 to 6, 2 to 4 to 6. 66. 66 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 2. 4 6 are 24, 16.5 marks. This is the average of Neelesh. Next, fourth bit. Who performed best in English? See, Alekia got 23, Anju got 21, and Neelesh got 16.5. So, Alekia got more marks. More marks. Therefore, Alekia performed best. Alekia performed best in English. So this is the fifth sum, children. Please note it down. Now, let us go for the next one. Sixth one. Three friends went let me read this. 3 friends went to a hotel and had breakfast to their taste, paying 16 rupees, 17 rupees, and 21 rupees respectively. First bit is find their mean expenditure. So let me first talk about the first bit. So the amount paid by first friend, amount paid by, this is first bit, by first friend is equal to rupees 16. Second friend is equal to rupees 17. Third friend is equal to rupees 21. So what is their average they are asking? Average is mean. Average means they are asking mean. Mean is nothing but average. Mean means average. That is 16 plus 17 plus 21 by 3. So how much? 7, 13, 14, 1, 3, 4, 5. 54 by 3. 3 ones are 3 eights are. So how much? Rupees 18 is the average. This is the answer for the first bit. So let me see the second bit. Second bit is, if they have spent 3 times the amount that they have already spent, what would be their mean expenditure? So amount spent by first friend. Amount spent by first friend is equal to 3 times of 16 rupees. Okay. Second friend is equal to 3 times of 17. This rupees symbol, 3 times of rupees 16, 3 times of rupees 17. And third friend, 3 times of rupees 21. So how much 3 times of rupees 16? 3 6 are 18. 48. 16 threes are 48, no? So 17 threes are 51. 21 threes are 63. So now let us find out their mean. Mean is equal to 48 plus 51 plus 63 by 3. That is equal to how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7, 12, 16, 163, 62 by 3. 3 5s are 3 4s are. So this is 54. So the mean is rupees 54. So actually 54 is nothing but 18 into 3. 18 into 3 is 54. So this is the answer for the first bit. What are you understanding? When each amount is increased 3 times, answer also got increased by 3 times. Remember that. This is very important to note. When you go to higher classes, directly you need not do all this sum. When you have understood that each term is multiplied by 3 terms, mean what you have got multiplied by 3, that will be the answer. Here, specifically you are doing to find out this. Now, we'll go to the third one. What is the third bit? If the hotel manager offers 50% discount, discount is equal to 50%. That means what? The cost will be reduced to half. So amount spent. Amount spent by first friend is equal to 16 rupees by 2, that is rupees 8. And second friend, how much? Rupees 17 by 2, that is rupees 2 8 are 16, 2 5 are 10, 8 rupees 50 paisa. Then third friend, rupees how much? 21 by 2. 2 ones are, that is rupees 2 ones are 2, 10 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now, average. The question is, this what would be the mean expenditure? So, mean is equal to 8 plus 8.50 plus 10.50 by 3. That is equal to how much? This is 1. 8.50, 10.508. So 0, 1, 16, 1, 17, 27 you are getting. 27 by 3, 3 nines are 9. So mean is nothing but this is equal to rupees 9. How are you getting rupees 9? 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So original amount is 18. See here children, in the second one, it is multiplied each value, each amount is multiplied by 3. So the answer also you have got, mean is multiplied. Original mean into 3, you have got the mean of the second bit. Even here third bit, 50% reduction means half. You have to reduce the amount into half. Now that mean is again what you have got is half of the original mean. So with this you have got a fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? Do you notice any relation between the change in expenditure and change in mean? Whatever is the change that is done in the expenditure, that is seen in the mean also. So change in the expenditure is observed in change in the expenditure is also observed in mean. Observed in mean means whatever is the change that you have seen in the expenditure, the same change is seen in the mean also. Here each of the observation or each cost is multiplied by 3. So here original mean that you have got here 18 rupees is multiplied by 3. Each one is multiplied by 3 means this is also multiplied by 3. Here each one is divided by 2 means original value is divided by 2. So change in the expenditure is also observed in mean is the solution for the fourth bit children. Please note it down. Now seventh one. Seventh problem. Find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. Find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. So first 10 natural numbers are, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you need to find out their mean. Their mean, how will you find out? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 whole divided by how many terms? These are all 10. So add this 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, 28, 36, 46, 46 plus 9. 46 plus 9, 55 you are getting. So on the whole, the total here it is 55 by 10 is nothing but 5.5. 5.5 is the mean of first 10 natural numbers. This is the answer for 7th problem, children. Now, 8th one. Find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. Find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. So, first 5 prime numbers are, what are they? First prime number 2, next 3, next 5, next 7, after 7, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, their mean 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 by 5. So, 5 plus 5, 10, 17, 17 plus 11, 28. 28 by 5, 5 5s are 25, 3, 5 6 are 30. 5.6 is the answer for this problem. This is 8th sum, children. Now, 9th one. In a set of 4 integers, it goes on like this. Let me read. In a set of 4 integers, the average of 2 smallest integers is 102. The average of 3 smallest integers is 103. The average of all 4 integers is 104. What is the greatest of these integers? So, you have got 4 integers. And let us write the 4 integers in terms of ascending order. And since we don't know any of the value, we consider them as A, B, C, D. Let the 4 integers in ascending order. In ascending order, because order is very important. Are A, B, C, D. That means what? The least value is this, the greatest value is this. Now the question is, what did they give? Average of 2 smallest integers. Average of 2 smallest integers is 102. That means what? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 integers. Smallest integer starts from here. First one, second one. A plus B by 2 is equal to 102. Sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. That means A plus B is equal to 102 into 2. That means A plus B is equal to 204. Next, what they have given? Average of three smallest integers. Average of three smallest integers is equal to how much they have given? 103. 103 means 3 integers a plus b plus c by 3 is equal to 103. So, a plus b plus c is equal to 103 into 3, that is equal to 9, 309. So, you can find out one value here, that is a plus b plus c minus a plus b will give you a plus b plus c is 309 minus 204. So how much you are getting? 501, 105. What is this? This is nothing but c. C value is 105 we have got. With these two, we could find out what is c. Now, they have also given, I don't know whether you can see it here, I will write it here children. So C is equal to 105 you have got. Next, what did they give? Average of all four is 104. Average of all four integers is equal to 104. All four means A plus B plus C plus D by 4 is equal to 104. So what is A plus B plus C plus D? 104 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. 416. So if you take A plus B plus C plus D, from this if you subtract A plus B plus C, how much you are getting? 416 minus A plus B plus C, you have got 309. 309. So 416, 309, 701. 107. So you see children, here D is equal to 107. So you have got two values. 105 is C. C 105, D 107. So 107 is greater than 105. So the question is what? You have to find out what is the greatest of these numbers. So greatest number is equal to 107. This is the answer children. Please note it down. This is ninth sum. Now 10th one. Write at least 2 questions to find mean. Right? At least, let me read the problem. Write at least 2 questions to find mean giving a suitable data. You have to prepare a question. How to find out mean means a question asking to find out the mean. Any 2 questions. So let us see the first one. Find The average temperature of 5 cities whose temperatures are noted as 30 degrees, 35 degrees, 28 degrees, 40 degrees, 23 degrees. So, this is one question you have written. Second question, 6 students of a class secured 10, 15, 18, 0, 23, 25 marks in a test conducted in mathematics. Find their mean. These are the questions. You can write anything of your own children. It is not compulsory that you have to write this only. It's just as an example. I have written two problems. You can write your own sums. They are not restricting you to anything. Just they are asking you to write two questions. It is you are at liberty. You can write any two questions for this to answer. Please note it down. With this, I am concluding today's topic. Next topic I will be doing in the next class.